Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see about a super application for your Instagram stories. It's called animated stories. You can have a lot of animated stories. You can just easily customize it and you can just use it for your Instagram stories like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the animated stories application from the Play Store. So it's so useful for if you're just posting your Instagram stories. It have a lot of animation templated Instagram stories. You can just keep your stories by just click on any template you just needed. So it have a pro and also the free version. Just click anything you just needed, just click this, and now you can just easily customize the images and also the timeline. Here you can just easily customize the colors, text, and also you can customize the animation. Click on this to have a preview of this template. You can just also use the same animation, or you can just change it and have an option to save. You can just asset directly to the Instagram, or you can just save on the best quality. So you have a two options here, and also you have a lot of more text font. You can just change the font size and also the animations, music, add music, and also a lot of options about the effects. You can just complete it. And here is a lot of templates here to choose from the varieties. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.